Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix live activities not working on your iPhone. This is probably gonna annoy a lot of people right here when you want to track scores on the MLB Sports app, or follow your food order in DoorDash and the live updates just don't show. So let's break down the solutions. First thing you gotta do is make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Over here, go to Settings, tap General, tap Software Update. If there's an update waiting ahead, install it. Okay, now check the app itself. Open the App Store, look for the MLB Sports app or DoorDash. Tap Update if you see it. Sometimes the app needs the latest version to link up live activities. Next, open Settings. Tap Face ID and Passcode. Scroll down and make sure Live Activities is allowed on the lock screen. If it's turned off, you gotta bring it in and switch it back on. Anyways, another smart step is in Notifications. Go to Settings, tap Notifications, pick the app like MLB Sports or DoorDash. Make sure Allow Notifications is on. Then check the Live Activities toggle and turn it on. Check also Notification Previews. In Settings, tap Notifications, tap Show Previews. Set it to Always. That way the live activity info is going to show up even when the phone is locked. Oh great, now let's go after Background App Refresh. Open Settings, tap General, tap Background App Refresh. Keep it on for Wi-Fi and cellular. Scroll and check that apps like DoorDash or MLB Sports are allowed. Without it, they can't update live scores or delivery status. Already, another thing is low power mode. If it's on, live activities might pause. Go to Settings, tap Battery, toggle off low power mode. Over here, don't forget Screen Time. Tap Settings, tap Screen Time. Check content and privacy restrictions. Make sure nothing is blocking app notifications. For instance, check Location Services set to allow changes, as well as Background App Activity is set to allow option. Okay, if the app needs your location like DoorDash, you gotta make out sure Location Services is on. Tap Settings, tap Privacy and Security, tap Location Services. Keep it on, then check the app and set it to while using the app or always. Check your internet connection too. You gotta stay connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. If the connection drops, live activities are gonna stop updating. Anyways, restart your iPhone. That clears out temporary bugs. Hold the side button and volume. Swipe to power off, turn it back on. If it still doesn't work, try force closing the app and reopening. Swipe up from the bottom, swipe away the app card. Then open the app again. Sometimes that refresh helps. Another step is to sign out and sign back in with your Apple ID. Tap Settings, tap your name, scroll down and sign out. Then sign back in. This can already fix syncing issues with iCloud and live activities. If nothing else works, delete the app and reinstall it. Tap and hold DoorDash or MLB Sports. Tap Delete App, then download again from the App Store. Finally, you can reset all settings. Open Settings, tap General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then reset all settings. This won't delete your data, but it resets preferences that might be blocking live activities. So yeah, that's the adequate list of ways to fix live activities not working on iPhone. From updating iOS to tweaking settings for apps like MLB Sports or DoorDash, you're gonna be covered ahead. I would like you to hit that like button if this helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, and comment if you want to ask for more help.